One of the most important things to do after painting is to clean out your brush so that that paint does not ruin your paintbrush. What you'll do is get a little bit of hand soap in your hand, and you're going to move that brush in circular motions. That's to get the paint that's all the way into the base of the brush. I'm going to turn on the water just a little tiny bit on warm, and I'm going to keep doing these gentle circles until that water runs clean. When I'm finished cleaning the paintbrush and it's totally nice and clean, I can see that against my hand that there's no color coming out of the brush anymore. You're going to gently take your fingers and make a nice little point. And then if this is a class paintbrush, it needs to be put away in a cup, always with the bristles facing up. If you face the bristles down, then it will dry like this. And it will stay like this forever. If this is your personal paintbrush, then you're going to gently make sure to squeeze out all of the water. You can dry off your brush if you need to, and then gently put it away.